Hello everybody, welcome to Kilowatt Hour Only EV channel. This is Benga. So today I am about to take my 2024 KIA EV9 to get a tow hitch installed on my EV9. Okay, if you guys know, I had when I had my EV6, I had a trailer tow hitch installed on my 2020 to KIA EV6, and that cost me a lot of money. It cost me about almost $1,200 because the hitch itself was like maybe $600 some change, and the wirings was like 100 some change, and also the labor was like maybe 400 some changes, so whatever, but everything was like total almost $1,200. So, and after that, then I realized U-Haul had one, and it cost around almost $400 or so to get it installed, the parts and labor and everything. So I was like, man, I should have waited. So this time I am doing the same thing, but I am not going to the dealership to get the installed this time. I will go through U-Haul. It's not that I can't do it by myself, I just don't have the time to do that. Okay, if you have the time to do that, you can go and get one at U-Haul or get one at the dealership. Either one you want to use, they are good. I've had tow hitch installed with U-Haul on my other vehicles, and I've installed one on one of my vehicles before. It's time consuming, and I don't feel like doing all that stuff. So with all that being said, if this is your first time view the channel, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Check out my other videos, installation videos, charging session videos, review videos, and also check out my other YouTube channel, Kilowatt Hour Only motorcycle channel, for my 2024 Livewise to Del Mar. I just picked that up yesterday. I missed the bike. I had it over at the dealership for about a week. They took it, but they came to pick it up for the what they call it, the recall inspection, and I just never got a call back. So I had to call them and go pick it up because I don't feel like waiting. So, but I got the bike back. It rides great, and I'm ready to put more content on that channel with some accessories that I purchased and some more highway range tests that I'm doing. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you to my subscribers. All comments and recommendation, I appreciate that. I'm trying and I'm getting better. I got more work to do, so I will continue to get better in editing and also getting more content in how to you know, craft my content and make it more viewable for you guys to watch. Okay, but all right, so thank you for watching, guys. All right, so let's get into this. I have the app that you all have, so let me go into that. All right, so let me turn this around. So right now I have a 10:30 appointment at U-Haul. I'm glad because it's like when I went on the website, it was telling me that I can only schedule next week's because I can only do it on weekend. So right now I have the the appointment. So I got about maybe less than 30 minutes now to pick it up. So let me go ahead and click what was. Everything will be costing me about 600 and some change, including labor. So let me go into that. All right, so here's the information. So I got all the information right here. So this is made by Curt Manufacturing, and it has a 2-year wiring warranty and a lifetime warranty for the hitch. So, and it has a capacity of 5,000 pounds. So this is the part number. So if you want to guess this kind of part, you can go on the Curt website or go online and see if you can get that. But this is for my KIA EV9 Lite, and these are the information right here. I will be installing at this U-Haul in Concord Parkway, and it's only going to cost me $66. That's half of what I would have spent at the dealership. Okay. So here's the breakdown of everything that I'm going to be getting. So for the basic tow vehicle wiring, 4, 5, 6, 7 ways, directions only, $10. The tow start 2-inch drop and 2-inch ball pin clip and all that stuff. I just have to. It's like, listen, I mean, if I was prepared, I probably would have got it much cheaper, but eBay or somewhere else. But it's okay. Hitch warranty, I had $5. I think they always had warranty to it. That's something that you cannot take off. And four flat multi-function power converter, which is and the part number is a CMF59236, and it costs only $69, almost $70. And the 2-inch receiver, and that is the hitch itself, and that is $244.95. The part number is CMF13602, and the labor only costs $130, and wiring labor is $130 as well, and the taxes, North Carolina. So, and everything rounded up to $663.25. So I will be paying that. That is cheaper. That's half of what I would have paid at the dealership. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to be doing the same thing, or are you going to go to the dealership. Hey, if you have money to spend, to splurge at the dealership, you can do that, but I want to save money, so it is cheaper to install at U-Haul, and they have it. So it is available now. Just go to their website and see which U-Haul store is available in your area to install it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this. I'll be back with other review about the final installation, because I won't be able to record it, but if they allow me to record, but I don't think they'll allow me to do that. Okay, but I talked to the guy, the installer, nice guy, and he probably might be able to explain to me more about how he did that, because this is probably going to be new to him to install. But if he has installed any Kia vehicles like Telluride, I think it should be the same process for him. So let me know in the comment section, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll be back. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.